Hey guys, this is Jerry. In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to connect your smartphone with this particular screen. This is the MG ZST in New Zealand and Australian spec. In different part of the world, you may call it ZS, ZX, or ZST, or whatever you want to call it. This is the 10-inch display panel. This should be very similar against all the even MG HS, even MG3, pretty much most modern MGs to connect your smartphone. So first, we need to go to the phone screen to click the phone button on the left bottom, and we can notice you can switch off or switch on, whichever you like. So we do need to switch on the top to be able to connect the smartphone screen. You'll notice this particular name for this vehicle. This is the serial name for our Bluetooth icon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to an Android phone at the moment. So I click the settings, and Bluetooth and device connection, and I'm gonna switch on my Bluetooth. It is switched on, so I'm gonna go into the pair new device screen. So I'm gonna search this particular name, MGBT 4072, which you can find over here. I'm gonna click that and wait for a second. We'll just click pair. So you don't need to confirm on this screen in New Zealand version, but on some other countries you may have to connect that on your screen. Now you can see my phone is called OnePlus 8T. It is connected right now with this green icon. That means the phone is connected via Bluetooth, and I can delete my phone. I can delete another phone if I like. Just press that to delete another phone, and I can see my contacts, call history if I need to. I can see the keypad. I can quickly dial a number, and if you do want to listen to music, press home button, go to the radio screen, and we'll just mute the radio for now. Go to the music screen, and whatever is playing behind, you can see basically the music behind this. Otherwise, press the phone menu. That allows us to go back to the phone screen, just like that. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your smartphone with an iPhone. The process is going to be simple. So again, click the phone button and make sure you switch on the Bluetooth and look for the name, BT name as this MGBT, and click the setting menu, go to the Bluetooth, and make sure you switch on the Bluetooth just by tapping the icon, and it's going to search the device underneath. You're now seeing MGBT 4072 on the phone screen. Click that, and just wait for a couple seconds. There we go. It's passcode required. There's nothing going to show on your screen, at least for the MG New Zealand spec. So all you need to just press pair to make sure it's connected. Now it's connected, basically, as you can see on your phone. It will also ask you, do you allow your contacts and favorites to be synced? So if you want it to be synced, just click allow. Otherwise, don't allow, whichever you like. So now it's allowed. What that means is your contacts and call history will be synced all together. And now you can see my phone is connected. And if I do want to disconnect, press this button to disconnect, press the other button to connect the other phone, or press the delete if you want to change anything. And you can see your call history, you can see your contact history, everything, if something's up there. And yeah, so that's how to connect your smartphone with Bluetooth. It's pretty simple. I hope it's easy to memorize, easy to understand. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribe to the channel, and that would be really helpful for the channel to grow. And like the video down below. If you're interested in purchasing any MG, Kia, Volkswagen, Nissan vehicles, contact us at Ebit Bukui. We'll also have a new dealership in Ebit, East Auckland for the MG vehicles. Alright, thank you very much. See you in the next video.